Hello, Bo. In this video, I will be reviewing the BB2 Wise Man Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator uses the Alligator indicator to generate buy and sell signals for us. It visually displays sell signals, specifically with yellow circles that appear above the chart, and buy signals are shown with red circles that are positioned below the chart. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
The first option in the settings determines how far the arrows are from the high or low of the candlestick, which is measured in points. We can set this value based on the symbol we are trading. The next option is for fractal detection. The higher this number is, the more the fractal we identify, and the signal that appears on that fractal will be based on a greater number of candlesticks, and the fractal period will be longer. The default value is 2, but we can increase this period to get more reliable signals. For example, I set the period to 10 so that the number of signals decreases. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.